In today's video, I am going to teach you how to block pop-up ads on Google Chrome. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. When Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You will see the three-dot menu icon there. Click on those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page, where you can control privacy, security, and site behavior. Once you are on the Settings page, look over to the left-hand menu and click Privacy and Security. After that, click Site Settings. This area lets you control permissions for different website features, such as notifications, location access, camera access, and pop-ups. You may need to scroll a little to find the option you need. Now scroll down until you see pop-ups and redirects, then click on it. This is the setting that controls whether websites are allowed to open pop-up windows or send you to other pages automatically. If pop-ups have been getting in the way while browsing, once you are inside that setting, change it to Do Not Allow Sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. When this option is turned on, Chrome will block pop-ups by default. This can make your browsing experience cleaner and help prevent many unwanted interruptions. After you make that change, you are all set. Chrome will save the setting automatically, so there is nothing else you need to do. That covers everything you need to know.